Yo, what's going on, guys? So I'll show you how to connect to Bluetooth on the Skoda. So first, the car needs to be, at least the ignition should be on. Press media, then it'll come up device not connected. Press source, and then press Bluetooth audio, and then obviously all the different devices that you've connected. So whichever one you want to pick. Or if you haven't connected before, press search for new device, and then I'll search for whatever device, and the other device should have Bluetooth as well. So Bluetooth audio, then pick whatever device, and then it should start connecting. And then when you start playing something, it should come up like this. When it's connected, it'll just play through the speaker. So yeah, pretty simple, to be honest. So that's